I'm Sarfraz Khan, a dedicated mathematics teacher. I've started a series of set preparation videos with years of experience helping students excel in their studies. For your information, SAT stands for Scholastic Aptitude Test. Whether you are a student preparing for SAT or a teacher guiding your students towards success, you are in the right place. The SAT exam is a crucial step in your academic journey. It's not just a test, it's an opportunity to open doors to your dream universities and future careers. We will work together to deal with complex math problems, and I'll be giving you tips, tricks, and practice tasks, and university style entry tests too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click notification bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos on SAT. Thank you very much for listening. Okay, so if you get a question like this, what do you think should be done? This question is taken from the SAT examination test, and this is just an example question. So, if you get a question like this, what do you do? So, elaborate this one. Do you think I can write this one as 3 to the power 2997 times 3 to the power 3? Because when the bases are same, powers are added. Get it? And numbers are multiplied, powers are added. So power 3000 is equals to 2997 times 3 to power 3. Now comes negative, and in here we again 2997 is multiplied by 3 to the power 2. This will come like this. And then minus, now we'll bring this value here. This is going to be 3 to the power 2997 multiplied by 3 to the power 1. Coming up to this one is plus 3 to the power 2997 is multiplied by 3 to the power 0, which is 1. In this way, we can understand, and it says that it's equals to a times 3 to the power 2998. Now, as you can see, there is something common in all of them. Common is this one is common, and this one is also common, and this one is also common in this. So this common we write one time only, 3 to the power 2997, and in the bracket you will bring this guy here, 3 cube minus comes from here, and then comes 3 square, then comes minus 3, and the last value is a plus. So first value, second value, third value, and then plus 1 because 3 to the power 0. Okay, I better write it down this way. So this is how it make sense. Now coming up to this part, in here this gives us 3 to the power 2997 bracket. This gives you 27 minus 9 minus 3 plus 1. So this gives you 2997, 27, and plus 1 is 28. 28 minus 12 is going to be 16 equals a dot 3 to the power 298. 298. Now, if I write this one 2997 multiplied by 16 is also equals to 3 to the power 2998. Instead, I would write 7 times 3 to the power 1. Now again here you can see on both sides you have the same thing. So we cancel the same thing and we'll move forward. This gives us 16 equals a times 3. 3 to the power 1 is a 3 and a is equals to 16 over 3 as an answer.